वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12th पार्ट 7 3 डायमेंशन की क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो दिस इज क्लास 12 3 डायमेंशन पार्ट 7। सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। व्हाट इज दिस क्वेश्चन? फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर drawn from the origin to the plane. That means we have to find coordinate of foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. Plane is the equation of plane is given 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. For this type of question, what is the important format? So just to see. So we are going for answer first. So suppose coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane is what? That is x1, y1, z1. So suppose foot of the perpendicular is the point P whose coordinate is what? That is x1, y1 and z1, right? Now we have to find the coordinate of foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. So this is the coordinate of foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin was x1, y1, z1. So what is the formula? You can write x1 equal to L into D. L is what? That is direction ratio. L is what? That is direction cosine. And D is the distance. In the same way, this is x2, that is x1. Now we have to find y1. So y1 equal to what? M into D. Again, M is the direction cosine and D is the distance. In the same way, this is z1. So that z1 equal to what? N into D. So first you change this given equation of plane in the form of Cartesian form equation of plane. You know Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D. So for this what we do? Just divide the coefficient of s square of x, y and z and root under. So when we change this number, we will get 2s square plus 3s square plus 4s square. So 4s square 16 and 2s square 4. That is 20 and 3s square 9. 29. So we will divide every number by both sides by root under 29. So this is 2 upon root under 29x minus 3 upon root under 29y plus this is 4 upon root under 29z equal to this is minus 6. So when it go to the right side become positive. So this is what? That is 6 upon root under 29. So this is the equation, the form of Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D. So this is what? Direction cosine L. This is M. This is N. So we have to find, that is the, you can say, coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from origin, that is x1, y1, z1. So x1 equal to what? That is L into D. So L is what? 2 upon root under 29 into D is what? 6 by root 29. So this is 6 upon root under 29. So our correct answer is what? 12 upon 29. In the same, this is y1. So y1 equal to what? M into D. M is what? Minus 3 upon root under 29 and multiply D, that is 6 upon root 29. So this is what? Minus 18 upon root under 29. In the same way, this is z1. So z1 equal to what? N into D. So N is also given what? That is 4 by root 29. So this is 4 upon root under 29 into 6 upon root under 29. So this is what? That is this is only 29. Okay? Because root 29 into root 29 only 29. Here this is 6 4 is 24 and upon root under 29. So x1, y1, z1 are the what? That is the required coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular is what? Minus 18 by 29, 24 by 12 by 29, minus 18 by 29 and 24 by 29. So again explain this question. Question is what? ये क्वेश्चन हमारा है फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर drawn from the origin to this plane. Okay, so we have to find coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to this plane. For this type of question, the first suppose that is the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular is what? X1, Y1, Z1. This is the point P, X1, Y1, Z1. Now we have to find this value of X1, value of Y1, value of Z1. So x1 equal to what? L into d. L is what? Direction cosine along x-axis. So and d is the what? Distance. So first you change the given equation of plane in the Cartesian equation of plane, that is Lx plus my plus nz equal to d. For this, divide both sides by a square of the sum of the coefficient of x, y, z root under. That is 2a square root under 2a square plus minus 3a square plus 4a square. So this is 16 plus 4, 20, 9. 20 root 29 divide both sides. So you will get 2 by root 29x minus 3 by root 29y 4 upon root 29z equal to what? 6 upon root under 29. Now this is the equation in the form of Lx plus my plus nz equal to d, where d is the perpendicular distance and L is 2 by root 29, m is minus 3 by root 29 and n is 4 by root 29. So x1 equal to what? L into d, that is 2 by root 29 multiply 6 by root 29, 12 upon 29. In the same way y1 equal to what? M into d. So m is what? Minus 3 by root 29 multiply 6 by root 29. So this is minus 18 by 29. In the same way, z1 equal to 4 by root 29 multiply 6 by root 29. So this is what? 24 by 29. This is the correct answer. So this is a model question. Any question can for this type of question. कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है तो आप इजीली इस क्वेश्चन को आप ऐसे बना सकते हो. ये बिल्कुल मॉडल क्वेश्चन है. चलो देखते हैं सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या है हमारा? फाइंड द वेक्टर एंड कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन which passes through the point 5 to minus 4 and perpendicular to the plane with direction ratios. Okay, so here we have to find vector and Cartesian equation of plane which passes through the point 5 to minus 4 and perpendicular to the plane with the direction ratios. Okay, so first you think what is the vector equation of plane passing through the any given points. Any given point is this and perpendicular to the plane with the direction ratio is there. So our formula is vector equation of plane is vector equation of plane is r vector minus a vector, right? R vector minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0. So what is the r vector? R vector is a position vector of the given point. And here what is this? 5 to minus 4 is given position vector of given point, that is a vector. So this will be what? That is r vector minus. This is given 5i unit vector plus 2j unit vector minus 4k unit vector, right? So this is r minus a. Now this is dot n vector. So n vector is what? It is given, that is 2i plus 3j minus k. So this is 2i plus 3j minus k vector. This equal to 0. So this is the vector equation of plane r vector minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0. So r vector is r vector, here a vector is what? That is the position vector of the given point. So this is 5 unit vector I plus 2j unit vector minus 4k unit vector. And here it is given direction ratios, the perpendicular plane with direction ratio. So direction ratio plane is given. So n vector is what? That is the 2i vector plus 3j vector minus k vector. Now we have to find that is Cartesian equation of plane. So you see Cartesian equation of plane. Cartesian equation of plane is what? So it is given it is the point given, that is x1, y1, z1 given, and here direction ratio is given. So we have a formula that is a into x minus x1 plus b into x minus x2. So this is x minus x1 and b into what? That is y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. So here a direction ratio is given 2. So this is 2, x is x, x1 is given 5. So this is x minus 5 plus b is given 3. So this is 3, y minus y1. So y is y1 given 2. So this is what? Y minus 2. Again c is given minus 1. So this is minus 1 into z. Here minus 4. So minus plus. So this equal to what? 0. So 2 into x minus 5 plus 3 into y minus 2 minus z plus 4 equal to 0. This is the Cartesian equation of plane. You can solve this number or you can leave this. So 2 into x minus 5 plus 3 into y minus z plus this is minus 1 into z plus 4 is the right answer. So this is the Cartesian equation of plane. This is the vector equation of plane. So again we are explaining. दोबारा इसको explain करते हैं. देखो, find the vector and Cartesian equation of plane which passes through the point. Whenever we have to find vector equation or Cartesian equation, what is given? Passing point given 5 to minus 4 and perpendicular to the plane with direction ratio. So direction ratios of the plane is given. Okay. So for this type of question, vector equation of plane is r vector minus a vector dot n vector. So r vector is r vector minus a vector is the position vector of the given point. So given point is 5 to minus 4. So this is 5 unit vector I, 2 unit vector j, minus 4 unit vector k. And here next one that is given direction ratio. So this is the n vector you can write. So n vector dot is what? 2 unit vector I plus 3 unit vector j minus k unit vector. So this is the vector equation of plane. In the same way, Cartesian equation of plane. So Cartesian equation of plane when passing point given, that is x1, y1, z1 given, and direction ratios, that is a, b, c is given. So you can use this format: a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. So here a is given 2 or x1 given 5. So 2 into x minus y. B given 3. So 3 into y minus y1. So y1 is 2. So y minus 2. Again c is given minus 1. So this is minus z minus and that is z1 minus 4. So this is z plus 4 equal to 0. ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. So question number third was, see the third question. So this is question number third. Question third is find the vector equation of the plane passing through the point R given, S given and T given. That means 3 points are given. We have to find vector equation of plane passing through these 3 points. For this type of question, first to find, this is the first point, second point and third point. So position vector for the point A. Point 1 is what? Suppose this is the A vector. So A vector will be what? 2 unit vector I plus 5 unit vector j minus 3 unit vector k. In the same way, this is B vector. So that is B vector equal to what? This is minus 2i unit vector minus 3j unit vector and plus 5 unit vector k. In the same way, this is the C vector. C vector will be what? 5 unit vector I plus 3j unit vector minus 3k unit vector k. Okay, so now we have to find vector equation of plane. So vector equation of plane is given by r vector minus a vector dot b vector minus a vector and cross c vector minus a vector. This equal to what? 0. So it is given r vector minus a vector is what? This. So you can write this. This is 2 unit vector I plus 5 unit vector j minus 3 unit vector k. And now this is dot product of b vector minus a vector. So b vector is this, a vector is, so minus 2 that is minus 4. So this is minus 4 unit vector I. Again this is minus 3j. So minus 3j minus 5, that is what? Minus 8 unit vector j. This is 5 minus minus plus, so this is what? 8 unit vector k. Right? So this is what? B vector minus a vector. Now this is a cross product of what? C vector minus a vector. So this is C vector 5 minus 2, that is 3. So this is 3 unit vector I. Again this is 3j minus 5. So 3j minus 5j what? Minus 2j. So this is minus 2 unit vector j. Now this is minus 3k minus minus plus, so this is 0. So only this, right? And this equal to what? 0. So this is the vector equation of the plane. So कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर ऐसा होता है कि 3 पॉइंट्स दिया हो और आपसे पूछा जाए कि बताओ वेक्टर इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन क्या है, that means when any 3 points are given and we have to find vector equation of plane passing through these 3 points, then a vector is the position vector of the first point, b vector is the position vector of the second point, and c vector is the position vector of the third point. Then apply this formula. Vector equation of plane is r vector minus a vector dot b vector minus a vector cross c vector minus a vector, and put the value. R vector is r vector minus a vector already given, put this value. Again b vector minus a vector, find from this, put value, and c vector minus a, put value. So in this way we have solved all the 3 questions of the part number 7 3 dimension. और ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस बिल्कुल बेसिक और इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. किसी भी तरह का एक तरह का मॉडल क्वेश्चन है. कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है, आपसे पूछा जाता है कि वेक्टर इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन बताइए पासिंग थ्रू द 3 पॉइंट, यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इन दिस वे. थैंक यू.